day fellow, Seto is back. Today I just want to show you on how to solve the simultaneous equation. See, let's say if I have y minus x is equals to 2, this side let's say I have x plus x, y is equals to, let's say 4. Then I decide to ask you to solve for x and y of these two equations. So simple. Then let us name this one equation 1. Let us name this one equation 2. From these two equations, you must somehow choose the simpler equation, which is 1 in this case. This one is not complex compared to equation 2. And try to make either x or y the subject of the formula. See, let me take this one and make y the subject of the formula. Then it's going to be now, let me take equation 1, then make y the subject of the formula. See, then it's going to be now, let me take it is like this. If I make y now to be the subject of the formula, this is what I'm going to get, plus 2. Immediately after doing this, making y the subject of the formula, let me make it equation 3. Equation 3 is from equation 1. You see? Then, now I have equation 3, where y is the subject of the formula. I can then now take this equation and substitute it where? On equation 2. Where I see y, I will then substitute x plus 2. You get the point? It's like now, I'm going to take, or I'm going somehow to sub equation 3, which is this one, into 2. You see? Not into 1, because this equation is from 1. But where? Into 2. Where I see y, you see where I see y, I'm going to substitute this now, this expression. See? I have x plus xy. Let me write it firstly. Then where you see y, I'm going to substitute, open bracket, x plus 2, 4, like this. Then let us solve. We have x multiplied by x, we get x squared plus 2x is equals to 4. X plus 2x, we get 3x. Then we take 4 to the left hand side. This is what I'm going to get. See? From here you can then do what? Factorize. X, we open bracket, we close. We're going to have different signs, minus together with plus. The factors of 4, we have 4 multiplied by 1. When we subtract these 2, they give us the middle term, which is 3. But where must I place my positive 4? This side. Why? Because the middle term is positive. Then 1 is going to be this side. See? Let me continue somewhere here. Then using factor theorem, I'm going to say x minus 1 equals to 0, or x is equals to minus 4, which is then going to be 1 this side. It's going to be, sorry, I made a mistake somewhere here. I already simplified it. It's like now plus 4 equals to 0, which is going to be minus 4. You see? I have x is equals to 1. This side I have x is equals to minus 4. For me to get the value of y, it's much simpler now. You see equation 3. It is already in a form of y is equals to x plus 2. Where you see x, you take this 1. Then I'm going to say 1 plus 2. Then we get 3. Then for this one, we are going to say minus 4 plus 2. we get minus 2. Then I'm done. Like this, I have managed to solve what now? The simultaneous equation. In order to make sure, or in order to see if you did not make a mistake, you can then just take those values. Let's say 1 and 3. Let us substitute 3 where we see y and 1 where we see x. It's going to be 3 minus 1, which is 2. You see? Correct answer. Same if we take minus 2, negative 2 minus 4. We should get 2. Sorry, minus 4. Yes, we get 2. You see? Our equation is correct. Like this. I thank you and enjoy.